going to learn construction of quadrilateral when four sides and one angle are given. Means that is S and A. Four sides and one angle. Example, we have taken PQ 4.5 centimeters, QR 5.2 centimeters, RS 5.5 centimeters, PS 4 centimeters, and angle PQR it is equals 120 degrees. So when we want to construct a quadrilateral, first by using any three measurements, we have to determine the three vertices of the quadrilateral. Three vertices of the quadrilateral. So now this angle we have to use when that four sides and one angle is given. At the time we have to use this angle and any two sides. Any two sides which are useful to determine the three vertices. By using any three values, you can take any three values which determine the three vertices. Three vertices. So let us take that now. So when we take PQ, line PQ, if we take here, angle PQR we can take because this is nothing but angle Q only. PQR is nothing but angle Q. Okay. And next QR side is also there. So by using this and this one here, this one and this three. So I am using the three values, the three measurements to determine the three vertices. Okay, let us see here how to determine the three vertices and what is the procedure. Okay, so first of all I am taking that side PQ. Draw PQ by using the scale. PQ it is equals what is that here? 4.5 centimeters. All of you. Draw PQ 4.5 centimeters using the scale. And next at Q we have to take this 120 degrees angle, but while constructing this angle, while taking this angle also we have to use only compass and ruler. Only compass and ruler. It means Q as center with some convenient radius. We have to draw one arc like this. We have to draw one arc. Okay. Here you take this one as A because the name of the quadrilateral is PQRS. That's why we are taking these points as ABCD here. So Q as center with some convenient radius, draw an arc to cut the PQ at A. Next A as center with the same radius, draw an arc to cut at B. And next one, B as center with the same radius, one more point C. Okay. Now we have to join these two and we have to produce one ray through the C. Produce the ray through the C from Q. Now this angle will be 120 degrees. We learned how to construct that 120 degrees angle. So this angle will be 120 degrees. Okay. Q as center first of all with some convenient radius. We have to draw an arc to cut it A as center B, B as center C. Okay. Next the length of that QR next side, that is this one completed, this angle completed. Next we have to take this side here, that QR is 5.2 centimeters. So Q as center, at Q we have to place the compass and draw an arc to cut the ray at R with 5.2 centimeters. 5.2 centimeters radius. Okay, this is 5.2 centimeters. 5.2 centimeters at R. Next, two more are left here, RS and PS. RS means the distance from R to S. PS means that is the distance from P to S. So here PQR completed. S will be this side here. So R as center, the distance from R to S is 5.5. That is why R as center 5.5 centimeters radius. Draw an arc. Means we should take a 5.5 centimeters distance using compass on the scale, and we should draw an arc. R as center 5.5. Next, PS center. PS is 4 centimeters, so 4 centimeters radius. We have to draw one more arc to cut the previous arc at S. This point we should take as S here. That point we have to take as a S. Now then we should join this PS and RS also. PS and RS.